The nest. It's a potato tower, and it's the bird nest system, and we've just adapted it by using fern fronds, dead ones, instead of straw. So it's great in the Pacific Northwest. Our garden on Salt Spring Island.
The Southern Gulf Islands. That's why the soil is so good down here. Forest. Loam, we're on the edge of the forest.
Got a nice bundle.
There's a bundle right
So
there.
there's a nice bundle.
Right here, you see underneath?
So
Look at
easy
that.
to do. Yeah, it's awesome.
And then that cleans up all those dead ones.
Yeah. So the soil we have for the potatoes is the soil that these are growing in. Plus we've bought Garden Booster.
Yeah.
And we've got 3 different types of potatoes. So this is a mixed bag. So it's red Pontiac, russet Burbank, and Yukon Gold.
Yeah.
And
Those
then
ones
more
are just
red
red
Pontiac.
Pontiac.
So
Which are good potatoes.
this is the tower. It's probably about 4 feet high. And so basically I've just kind of clipped them together on that side. I've made a ring. It's about, what, 2 feet, 3 feet wide?
Yeah, something like that.
And in the bottom, you start in the bottom, I've made a nest already with the ferns. And we're going to put some dirt in there.
I'll open up that bag.
Okay, so we're going to put dirt. Actually, Joe's going to shovel it.
And you know, the time of the year right now, it is beginning of April, by the way.
Yeah.
We're doing this. So we're in the North Pacific. We're in the Southern Gulf Islands. Our growing zone here is 8B, 9A. In this particular area of Salt Spring Island. We're at 9A area of the island, so it's a good time to grow these things.
Yeah.
All right.
So I'm just wondering, maybe we want to dump the bag here, Joe, and then we'll mix soil, some of this soil in with it.
Oh,
as
you
well.
want? Okay.
Yeah, just to get a little bit of that in there as well. And we've actually already dug up. This is Krista's heart garden. Oh yeah, so we're just mixing in the compost booster right now into this really nice soil that we have.
That's the native soil. It's just forest loam.
Yeah.
It's funny, the upper garden's all rock. You come down here, it's full of earthworms.
Yeah, we're on our slope.
It's beautiful down here. Good place to have a garden. Okay. Forest loam soil mixed with soil booster. We have some peat moss in there. There's a bit of wood ash. And I think there's some manure in there too. So we've amended it, and each year we'll amend it more, make it even better. So in the fall we'll put some seaweed in it. We'll put leaves, grass clippings, all that stuff.
Bone meal.
It'll just keep getting better.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna grab a russet. And these potatoes too, by the way, could be cut in half if you want.
Oh yeah, you
and
can. You can cut 'em in
the
half.
goal is that you would take a potato that would have the spuds coming out, 2 of these, 3 of the nodes, and having them facing upward. And kind of, we're going to put them closer to the edge of the wire.
Okay, so.
And I've got here, some of the russet Burbanks. So I've cut the Yukon Golds. I cut them in half because they were quite large.
Okay.
So they've each got little. I don't know if you want to shoot downward on that.
Placing potatoes in the potato cage.
So I'm kind of putting them closer to the edge. So the goal is that the potatoes are going to
Come out the edge.
come out. I might.
Okay, so we've got a bottom layer of ferns, a layer of dirt with potatoes on it, and then we're going to be putting some more fronds on top. These are dead fern fronds, western red fern fronds. I know a lot of people like to use hay or straw, probably straw because there's no seeds in it. And then so Wendy's putting that in there now.
So it's going to actually make like a bird nest around the outside. So probably, you're right, this should have been shorter.
Oh yeah, totally.
But what I'll do is work it down. So if you go from the top.
I can always cut it.
Yeah, we will. I think tomorrow.
Just take the snippers and just cut it to where you want it. Yeah.
You can actually film from here and look down. Look down on it and you see it. What's happening. Okay.
Like a nest.
So what I'm doing is making a ring of fern. And these are really well.
Oh, they're well,
Yeah.
they're crispy. There's lots more here. I
And that's
harvested
what you
a ton
want.
of
So
them.
it's basically like straw.
Oh yeah.
So
There. And then what you do, you plunk your potatoes on there, right?
okay. Now you put a little more soil.
I'll mix some
So
soil up.
basically the potatoes are sitting right about here on this inside ring of the nest. You keep filling this with soil, layer by layer.
Okay. So stay tuned. Keep watching, folks.
Yeah, it's harder to write because it's kind of a. But I guess what you could do is.
That's all right. That works. Putting the potatoes in the potato cage.
I know that soil's just gonna roll. That one's gonna roll.
Put a little scoop of soil in that corner.
Oops.
So you do 4 potatoes in each layer?
Yeah, I don't think you want too many.
Because they make a lot. One potato makes many.
Yeah, it will. Like with 4 potatoes in this size, you're gonna get about 4 to 5 pounds of potatoes.
In one layer?
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's kind of like, and then now I'm gonna
Cover them up.
cover them up. So it's kind of like a layering process.
That's what it is, folks. So
Yeah, a little bit more. Awesome. Okay, perfect.
another one here.
Level it out a little. Perfect. That's great.
Earthworm in there.
Nice. You want earthworms. Nice.
There's another layer.
Good.
Okay.
Okay.
Here's our garden space.
Get to
It's,
your garden.
what is it, 10 by 13, our garden space down here. So it's not a massive garden, but growing up vegetables for us.
So we've done the first layer with the soil, the nest, and about 4 potatoes. And we've added soil, and now we've done another nest. So Joe's just mixing a bit more soil for us.
Got some soil booster in it. So
Yeah.
It's forest loam soil mixed with soil booster. We have some peat moss in there. There's a bit of wood ash. And I think there's some manure in there too. So we've amended it, and each year we'll amend it
Yeah.
more to make it even better. So in the fall we'll put some seaweed in it. We'll
Yeah.
put leaves, grass clippings, all that stuff.
Bone meal.
It'll just keep getting better.
Yeah. Well, what's nice is we have some maple trees that are around here too
Okay. So
that drop leaves, so
We're
it
ready.
gives us a nice.
You want some soil in there?
Soil. Yeah. So Joe's gonna. So now we're doing our second layer. So he's putting more soil in there now.
over the leaves?
No.
No.
Just build up the middle part for sure. And see, gradually it'll get to the leaves. It'll spread out. So basically, the idea is that the potatoes are going to sprout in the soil, and they're going to push through the leaves and come out through this caging, and all your leaves will be out here. That's nice.
Really nice soil.
Yeah.
Looks pretty black. What do you think?
Yeah. That's nice.
Good?
Yeah. A little bit more. Awesome. Okay. Perfect.
Another one here.
Level it out a little. Perfect. That's great.
Earthworm in there.
Nice. You want earthworms. Nice.
There's another layer.
Good.
Okay.
Okay.